welcome to this new video with me. And in today's video is very going to be an exciting and highly practical moment where we are going to be talking about how to move to Cotonou from Nigeria, how to move to the Republic of Benin, that is Cotonou from Nigeria. If you are moving to any part of the Republic of Benin from Nigeria, this is just a step-by-step process for you. If you have been following me, my office has a new look. That is because I am right now in the Republic of Benin. We have packed from Nigeria to base now in the Republic of Benin. Of course, we cannot do without going to Nigeria and be doing some order of our business to make sure our business in Nigeria and our customers, our clients in Nigeria are being served. But when it comes to living, where is your home? This is where my home is right now. So how are we able to do it? We did this some days ago, and of course the memory is still fresh, so anything I'm going to be telling you now is going to be from fresh memory, exactly how we move from Nigeria to the Republic of Benin and everything you should expect. Now watch this video to the end because it is critically important for you. If you are coming for tourism purpose, you don't have any business watching this video, because it's going to be more of the journey process and everything that got to do with relocating to the Republic of Benin. So let's get started. So the first thing is we are based in Abuja, Nigeria. So we are based in Abuja, that is the capital city of Nigeria. So you may be based in every other part of the nation, so just take that as our from Abuja to Lagos. So we started, we have to charter a car. Yeah, we have to charter a bus. Is more of a charter because we take the bus from the park to our house where it's pack every packable things. Now if you are moving from Nigeria to Cotonou, please do not take too much of load. It's going to cost you a lot. When people discover that okay, this is a house property, they believe you are moving into another apartment. And especially if you can't charter a bus or a truck straight down, please sell as many as you can sell. Of course, the same thing we did, but you know, I cannot sell my books. Hey, in fact, they are my life, so I cannot sell them. So the books, those are the, in fact, if every other thing has to stay, all my clothes has to stay for the book to be here, I must do it. So as you can see, my books, they are here intact, none of them miss. So I pack every single thing. The chairs, we sold them. Yeah, we sold them. The ones we can give out, we give them out, and every other thing in between. So we have to give those ones out. So I think this video will have part 1 and part 2, because in the part 2 I will talk about housing. I will talk about housing. That is where I will show you plenty of things. So if you want to come and start life here afresh, if you want to start life here fresh, because all you just need is your bag, your Ecolas bag, or what is it called? Yeah, just your bag, and then that's just it. So you come here, you get your feet, and then you get an apartment and everything. But I'm talking to you about like moving as a family. We are moving as a family, and every other thing in between. So we told the driver, the chartered bus, we told him that the driver is going to drop at the border. But this driver, they have a way of doing things, especially in Nigeria. No. So he dropped the road at Lagos and said okay, he's not going, that we should use the remaining balance to take the bus, to take another bus to the border. And that is exactly what we had to do. So I have to charter another bus. Now the journey is very stressful, so I chartered another one to the border. You, I don't know, depending on who you be, you are going to spend, if you are going to do exactly the way we did our own. And I don't recommend you even do it, except it's very very important, because to me it is very very important. Yeah, to me it's very important. I can't come here and start a life afresh, no. So it's very important that I do it, and I'm very very happy. Looking back at how everything went, I'm very 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 happy that this really really we did it this way, we do it. So from the border we have to cross. I don't think I should mention figure, but just drop it in the comment section if you want me to mention figures, like how much we spend from this point to this point. If you want me to talk about how much we spend, then drop it in the comment section and I will make a video about it. So the second thing we did is we have to cross the border. So the border, crossing the border is another thing entirely. Yes, it is another thing entirely. So crossing the border, of course, if you are in Nigeria and you want to cross this border, it is easy. Drop your passport, they stamp it, and then you go. Or if they say they don't want to stamp it, that you have to pay bribe. Anyway, now God know that one. So if that's it, just know, make sure you do. Just make sure that you do whatever they ask you to do. If they want to do the right thing, let them do the right thing. If they don't want to do the right thing, that's just by the way. To cross the border, you need this bike guys. You need to talk to these bike guys, and they will take you from one point, from the other side of the Nigerian border to the other border in the Republic of Benin. So depending on your load, they are going to be charging you differently. But if you are the only one crossing, you may not pay more than 3,000 naira. Now this is not a certain price. I'm not giving you a fixed price. I'm not a bike guy, so I don't know if they change their price anytime. So that is just what is going to happen. And then when you get to the other side, then you can find your way to any other where you are going to. It is very very easy. So I don't want to mention figures in this video, but if you think it's necessary, check in the comment section. So when you get here, let's now talk about accommodation. When you get here, the first thing you need to know is that there is a standard process when you are looking for house. It will be very hard for you to get in contact with a landlord directly. You can see like house for rent, maison à louer, as it's always written in French. You are calling, and you are still going to be calling the agent, because most time the owners of this house, they are very busy people. Yeah, they have things they do, they have work they go to, so they are very busy. So they give it to an agent to get it sorted out. So you need to contact an agent. If you need the service of a tour guide in the Republic of Benin, a service of a house agent in the Republic of Benin, check the description. You can send me a message on WhatsApp and I will be able to consult for you on that. Of course, you know I'm a co-founder of a tour company based in the Republic of Benin here. Our tour guide company has received over 900 people to the Republic of Benin since we began. Many people who watch video on YouTube, when they call you, the first thing they believe will happen is that you are going to consult for them for free. No, we don't do free consultation in our agency, but you are going to get the best of service. You are going to get the best of service. I can guarantee you that as a matter of fact. So if you need a tour guide, you need somebody to take you around who understands fluent English, or you need a house agent, then, or you need to get any information that is not a secret information that is available in an open place, then make sure you contact us using the number in the description, and we'll definitely be attending to you. So you need to contact an agent, so the agent will show you different houses that he can send you videos on the every other thing in between. So then you make your choice, or you can come to check before you make your choice. But now in the Republic of Benin, before you can step into that building, you have to pay and fulfill all the necessary things that needs to be. The first thing you need to know is that you cannot rent house in the Republic of Benin without a valid means of identification. The government is very strict on that because of security issue. So you must have a means of identification for them to identify you, or you will not be able to rent a house. The next thing is that maybe I'll just tell you this, but I will definitely make another video talking about the housing experience in the Republic of Benin. The next thing you need to know is that in your contract there are things that you need to certify, and then the first one is that you are going to buy your own meter. That is for electricity. You know, here we don't use estimated billing. Every video you are seeing there is our own meter that we just bought few days ago, and I will call the electrician to fix it for us. So you have to get your own meter, and as at the time I'm making this video, each unit of the meter is 300 francs CFA. So in some places it can be higher depending on your landlord. You need to know that. The next thing, you also need to know that you pay caution fee. The caution fee is a minimum of 3 months of your rent. Yes, it is a minimum of 3 months of your rent. The caution fee, if you are leaving the house and you are not owing the landlord anything, they will return the 3 months to you. Yeah, they will return the 3 months to you, and then if you owe them, they will deduct it from it before you leave. You also pay caution for the light, for electricity caution. The electricity caution, in some places they give you back if you are going, and in some places they tell you you are going to collect 50% of the caution fee. In our own experience, we got a particular house, and the landlord say we have to pay 6 months, which is not the law. In the Republic of Benin, they pay rent monthly. It's not like Nigeria where you pay yearly, so they pay monthly. They say we have to pay 6 months, but at the end we discover that we don't just like the building, we don't like the house the way it is and everything, so we just forgot about that one and then get this particular one where I'm making this video. If you stay in compound where they have rushing water, you have to pay the water bill. Yeah, you have to pay caution for water also, which is about 5,000 or 10,000 CFA as at this time where I'm making this video. So you have to pay that also. And then for the agent who got the house for you, you will have to give them a month's rent. Yeah, that is, if your rent per month is 20,000, then you have to pay that agent 20,000 as his own commission for getting the house for you. It is the standard practice. You don't reduce it. It is the standard practice, so you have to pay that. And then the next thing is that you have to be paying both light and water bill. In some places they will also ask you to pay for toilet bill. Yeah, because one of the places we got, they say we have to be paying 2,000 francs CFA for toilet bill, which is something I really believe the landlord is just making unnecessary income from, because I don't think we are using 2k toilets every month. Yeah, I know we can use water that much. We can use light is prepared meter, so anybody know exactly how much you use, so nobody's coming to tell you what you use. You are seeing it there. Apart from that, you need to be familiar with the environment. You need to be friendly, look friendly, don't look threatening. So, and then the one thing you also need to know is that houses, if you are comparing houses in Nigeria, the house they show you in Republic of Benin for like 20,000, depending on where you go, like in this place where we are is a very strategic area. Like, you know, in the Republic of Benin we have mayors. Yeah, we have mayor, so we are very close to the office of the mayor, so it is a very strategic place, so it is a very good environment, but you need to know how much it costs. Yeah, so that is just it. So I believe this video help you. That is our experience moving from Nigeria, relocating from Nigeria to the Republic of Benin. And of course, if you want me to mention figures, drop it in the comment. I may likely make a video on that, and I will definitely make a video talking about housing in the Republic of Benin. And don't forget, if you need a fluent English speaker, German speaker, French speaker to take you around the Republic of Benin, whether you are coming for business purpose, tourism purpose, or you are coming to reside here permanently, make sure to send me a message using the number in the description, and I will be attending to you very swiftly. My team or I personally will be attending to you very swiftly. I will guarantee you the best of service in the Republic of Benin. Thank you. See you in another video.